Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is March 19th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Don't you love stochastic over 60, huh? This is fantastic. So Tesla closed up $33.79, 3.88%, closed at 905.39. Post market, we are even up 11 cents. This is great. We had a breakout of this downward channel, this smaller downward channel right here. Let me use my highlighter. So this is a downward channel, and the stock has been stuck between these two lines since, I will say, January of this year. Going from the support resistance, we had a breakout yesterday. We had a nice breakout yesterday, and we even closed, remember, we closed above 857.36, so we were very happy about that. Next order of business was these two resistance that have been there for a long time. We broke them today. So we have a nice green candle today, a little bit longer wick at the bottom here. So showing that the buyers are really overtaking the sellers, which is great news. So I will turn these two resistance into support right now. And now we are getting very close to this downward resistance here. So resistance is at 916. So next order of business, we are going to try to break this here at 916 before we are going to get some kind of a pullback, because the stock has been going up for 1, 2, 3, 4 straight days. We should be due very soon for a pullback. A pullback is just a regular thing, nothing to be scared about. But we need to expect that. So I don't know when it's going to come. One area of resistance that can produce a pullback is this one right here. But we also have this upper channel here, because at the same time, Tesla is in an upward channel. Look at this here. And the channel really started right here on February 14th, going from support to resistance to support, and now to maybe resistance. We could be hitting 949 if we are able to break this downward resistance and reach this one right here. And we would break also at the same time 940. So that would be great if this happens. So maybe this is going to happen next week. So on the 1 hour chart, so we started the day right here. So look at the volume here. Nice volume. Some people are accumulating Tesla. So nice volume right here. And this brought us to the second resistance, the second double resistance that were purple. Then the second hour, we came back to the first one and then broke outside of the first one, stayed outside, came back in a little bit, but then finally closed above the two resistance that are now a support. So very strong Tesla, very happy to see this. All of our indicators are obviously very bullish. Let's go see on the daily chart how things are turning. So look at our stochastics. So when we broke on March 17, we had stochastic already at 75, which was quite strong. We even had stochastic at over 60 before breaking the resistance. So that was a very good sign also. And right now we have stochastic at 94. So very nice move, very strong move. I'm very happy with that. On the MACD side, MACD still crossed over bullish, of course. RSI climbing above 55. So above 50 means that this is bullish. We only need DMI to turn green to have a more long-term move for Tesla. So DMI will tell us when Tesla is doing a longer-term move. This is a nice move. Depending on when you got in, this is still a very nice move. But if we are thinking about long-term move, then we need to have DMI cross green. And we need to break this downward resistance right here. And we need to break this 940. So once we do all of that, I don't know when this is going to happen, but when we do this, then the stock will be a little bit more free to roam around back to 1200. So all in all, a nice week for Tesla. Very happy with what is happening. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to talk to you on Monday if you are not a member. If you are a member, we have a live on Sunday. So have a great weekend, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.